Okay, so I'm going to show you all exactly what I do. So here you can see is the Getupside app. I go into Getupside, and now I've already claimed this, but what I can show you, this is how it works. So I already have accumulated $24.71. That is just from redeeming gas and for my referrals. So what you can do is you can go here to the little gas thing, and it will show you different deals. So there's Exxon, and it shows that I am here and I've already claimed this. You can see the little button here saying I've already claimed it. So it's going to originally be $2.80, but they're going to give me the equivalent of 18 cents back, so that would make it down to $2.62. But there's also Shell, which is $2.64. That's still more expensive than this one. And there's BP, which is $2.71, and then there's another Shell for $2.69. So I've claimed this one. Why? Because it is the cheapest. After that, you just have to press claimed. Since I've already done that, it will then show you 18 cents, 17 cents, 16 for the different types. You'll then have a window of the amount of time you can redeem it to. So I have to purchase between 3:56 and 7:56 p.m. All I have to do is then upload my receipt and then take a picture of the receipt, and it will scan all the information in. And if the picture doesn't get all the information, it'll just simply say, do you have the date, time, and everything? And I'll show you in a second of exactly what I do. But it says it's claimed, so let me go ahead and pump it, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we are back now. Okay, so I have finished pumping, and then here is all of my stuff here. And then what you do is you come back, oh crap, go to gas. Now sometimes, this is actually, I'm glad this happened. Sometimes you will not have your original thing showing here, in which case you just go to this little red dot right there. Come on. Do it! There we go. And it says one claimed offer. So I'm going to go to one claimed offer, and then there, boom. It shows it right there. So you just go there, and now it says upload receipt. So I'm going to do that. And then it will show you gas receipt. So what I do is, as I drop everything, I take this and I literally make sure that I get this here. Take a photo. It's doing its thing, it's scanning. Now you'll see here how it's asking some questions. I'm trying to get this phone here to stabilize. Sorry, it's hard to do this without a proper thing. Whoops. So you'll see here it says card type and last four digits is shown. Date and time is not quite there, and same with total paid. So I'm going to go to review receipt, and I know that I have everything on there. So yes, a date and time is on there, and yes, it was purchased in the time frame, and yes, total paid shown is there. Yes, and then just simply say upload and done. That's all it is. And then all you have to do, see, done. And then you just have to wait, and then the account will automatically credit all of your stuff in there, and you're done. And right here, like I said, I've already done $24.71, and you can see here a history of all the different ones that I've done. So some of these, when it says missing expired proof, that just means that I found a better deal somewhere else, so I just unclaimed it. So that's just what that means. But I have done a lifetime earnings of $58.35, and I've really only been using this app this year. So for people who drive a lot, this app will add up so quickly. So you can see here how much I have used it. It really, really does add up. I completely recommend using it. That way, get paid to fill up your tank. My code is Amanda145. So all you have to do is just go into your app store and download the Getupside app. And then when it asks for a referral, just simply say Amanda145. Here, let me go right here. I will show. You can invite friends. And then when you invite friends, you can also build your own little network. So if you, every single time somebody fills up using your code, you then get money there. So let me show you right here. Oh, come on. I hate it when this thing does not. There we go. Come on. There we go. So I go to my referrals, and see, I already have 6 referrals, These people have installed them, but they haven't used it yet. And then these people have used it. I've already earned back $2.77. I didn't spend one dime to get that money back. Not one dime. This adds up quickly. $2.77 from what I'm referring people. You can get the same thing going for you guys. So get your referrals going. Download my app. It's free to use, Amanda145. And then you can also get your own referrals and you can start adding up money yourself. Thanks. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up.